Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 the best resin 3D printers available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable the best resin 3D printers, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. ELEGOO Mars 4 MSLA 3D Printer. Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD that boasts an impressive 8520 by 4320 resolution and 18 micrometers XY resolution, enabling you to print crisp and intricate models every time with every detail of your model accurately rendered. The 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm superscript 3/6.04 x 3.06 x 6.89 inch build volume provides you with enough space for daily creations without sacrificing printing accuracy. The Mars 4 uses a powerful COB light source that uniformly exposes the beam of 405 nanometers wavelength across the entire LCD, ensuring that your prints are consistent and accurate. The build plate has a laser-carved surface that provides excellent adhesion and ensures that models stick to the build plate during printing to improve the printing success rate. The 3.5-inch touchscreen comes with a model preview function and a real-time progress bar that allows you to monitor the printing process and make adjustments as needed. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printers. The Core XZ motion system of the Ender 3v3 3D printer combines the X and Z axis, enabling two high-torque motors to work together for rapid response. With a printing speed of up to 600 mm per second, the Ender 3v3 is 12 times faster than a regular i3 style 3D printer, setting a new benchmark for bed slingers. Ender series 3D printers. The direct drive extruder of Ender 3v3 is enhanced by a bolster spring and a ball plunger. It grips the filament tightly without slackening off. With a 60W ceramic heater, it can fully melt high-temp filaments like ABS and PTG on the fly. Ender 3v3 3D printer requited with the durable steel-tipped copper nozzle is integrated with a titanium alloy heat break. It blocks heat creep and can be swapped super easily. Thanks to the precise linear rods and timing belts, the Z-axis can be positioned more accurately than ever. It means minimal Z-bending in your 3D prints. Ender 3v3 3D printer equips CR Touch for auto-leveling and strain sensor for auto Z offset. It is easy to get a perfect first layer. Upon startup, the machine swiftly conducts a self-inspection, assessing critical parts such as the extruder, heated, fan, and leveling. Number 3. Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer. Printing bigger and more models doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the details. With incredible 28mm resolution, Sonic Mighty 8K enables you to effortlessly create crisp and sharp prints. Boost your productivity and efficiency with a 10-inch LCD screen paired with 23.5 cm dual linear rails. We designed the mono LCD inside Sonic Mighty 8K to have more durability and a longer lifespan. Despite its powerful specs, the Sonic Mighty 8K has a footprint similar to other regular compact printers so that you can put it virtually anywhere inside your printing space. Sonic Mighty 8K comes with solid dual linear rails and a thick T-plate that helps reduce wobbling and annoying layer lines. And to further minimize printing failure, it also comes with a frosted laser-cut building plate that allows models to attach firmly onto the building plate. Phrozen Go is an app designed for frozen 3D printer users, allowing you to control one to several 3D printers remotely through a network connection. Note, Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K is a supported model and only one Phrozen Go account can be bound at a time. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. Photon Mono 4 boasts an impressive 105% increase in print precision compared to Mono 2. With a resolution of 9024 by 5120, each pixel measures a mere 17 by 17 micrometers on the X and Y axes. This enhanced capability allows for creating models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. The time-tested ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source technology delivers stable, balanced, and uniform lighting to reduce layer lines and rasterization, creating models with ultra-smooth surface and maximum print details. With a generous maximum build volume of 6.04 foot x 3.42 x 6.49/153.4 mm x 87 mm x 165 mm, you have ample print space to easily tackle your daily tasks and demanding projects. Compared to ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 2, Wash and Cure 3 has an impressive 42% increase in cleaning basket capacity. This makes it perfectly tailored for LCD, light curing, 3D printers with a size of 7.3 inches or less. The volume of the cleaning bucket has also increased to 4L, meeting the cleaning needs of larger and more 3D models. Number 5. ELEGOO Standard PhotopolymerLCD 3D Printing. ELEGOO photopolymer resin is specially designed for reducing volume shrinkage during the photo curing process, which ensures the high precision of the print model with smooth finish. ELEGOO 405 nanometers rapid resin was designed to significantly reduce printing time with its excellent fluidity. Meanwhile, its great stability and proper hardness ensure an unworried printing experience and successful printing. With high-quality pigments and photo initiators inside ELEGOO UV curing resin, the models printed with resin have a very pure and stunning color effect, just like an artwork. Given the outstanding performances, ELEGOO Standard resin is suitable for most DLP/LCD 3D printers. Works best with the LCD 3D printers. Leak-proof bottle fully wrapped with a plastic bubble bag and exquisite designed package box make sure the resin stays in place where they belong.